So as I said before, I really love parties, and so this is a small charcuterie tray that comes with this whole kit. So you can put together everything you need. There is meat, and there's cheeses, and there's honey and nuts and fruit, and then of course the little hole in the top so that we can go ahead and use the smoker. So we're going to put the smoker inside, and we are going to pick one of our little smoking items here, the little chips, wood chips, and I think we're going to do a cherry tempest, which is an overture of wood and passion fruit. That sounds good for what we're doing here. So we're going to smoke it that way. We're going to fill the little fog hat with 2/3 of the actual little wood chippings, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our little stainless steel piece so that no embers fly away. And we're going to use our little flame, and this is culinary butane in here. Do not try to use butane that you buy from the hardware store. That is not going to work because it will taste horrible. So you need to buy it either from your restaurant supply, or we do have this on our website. So here we go. You don't really want to put this in there for more than 10 seconds. And then we're going to go ahead and close the top, and we're going to close it for about a minute, and then we're going to come back. So it's been about a minute, and the one thing I did notice is that the longer you leave it smoking inside, the longer and the better the smoke taste lasts. So we're going to go ahead and take this off of here, and as you can see, the smoke is coming out, and this is smoking your cheeses and your meats. You can do it more than once if you want to, but right now, all of these items now have a slightly different taste than they did when they started. And that's the greatest thing about this. And then you can just take this off, and voila, you have your smoked charcuterie tray.